All right, my friends, I want to just make a little video here and show you how to um, find mobile service companies. If you're selling websites, in our case, we give websites away, obviously. So this is one of the best, easiest ways. I know there's a lot of really complicated ways, but this is one of the easiest ways to find pressure washing companies or detailing companies or junk removal companies. Just go to Facebook, go to the search bar and put, I don't know, junk removal. Click search. Oops. Click search. Wait a few seconds. And here you go. Junk removal. Lakeshore hauling. D&D junk removal. And that's because it's limited to my area. If I just put any, I'm going to get more. Now let me show you another trick. Just go click on people. Search whatever niche you're looking for. And you just get a list. This will keep going and going, and you'll find as many companies as you want. And then whatever type you're looking for, in our case, we're looking for companies that don't have a website, who have an old, outdated website, who use Facebook for their website. So many companies don't have any at all. Uh, so here's some other things you could do. You can look for posts with engagement. You can look for local business groups, service business owners, commenting on marketing posts. But the easiest way is just go to Facebook and search what you're looking for, and they'll come up. And then as far as figuring out, who you want to approach, I do right click, right? I do open, click and tab, open, click and tab. And then I just look. And so many of them, if you click on about, if they have a website, it'll typically be shown there, right? So I don't see a website, right? Friends, photos, check-ins, or just go down through the post. If you look through 10 or 12 posts, let's look at another one. If you look through 10 or 12 of their posts and they don't have a website address in any of them, it's a great prospect to reach out to sell a website to, or to build a free website. Like in our case, we give free websites.